Hello students, welcome back to the online class and I hope you all are fine and safe at home. So today we'll do a continuation of the chapter which we are doing in the previous class. So the chapter was chapter number 6, topic the Southern Plateau. Spotlight. In this class we are going to cover Jharkhand and its locations, okay, and traditional food and all. So in this class we are going to cover it. So let's get started. For the reference, please take out your book, page number 56. So Jharkhand. Now location. It is surrounded by the states of Bihar in north, okay. So Uttar Pradesh and the Chhattisgarh in the West Bengal, Odisha in the south and the West Bengal in the east. So location. It is surrounded by the states of Bihar in the north, Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the West Bengal in the south and West Bengal in the east. As you can see in the image map, the India map, where it is shown where the Jharkhand is located in the yellowish mark, okay, as you can see it. So it has been surrounded by the states. What are the states? Bihar in the northern side and Uttar Pradesh and Chhattisgarh in the western side, okay, and the Uttar Pradesh in the south in the down portions and West Bengal in the east, okay, and its capital is Ranchi, okay. And the rivers which used to flow under the Jharkhand are Damodar, Koi, Brahmani and Karakai and Samarnakha, and waterfalls are the rivers used to flow under the Jharkhand. Now moving to the next. Now let's talk about the language. The languages which is spoken by the Jharkhand people. What are the languages? Hindi, Santali, Madurai, Ho is also a language, okay. Bengali, Maithili, Bhojpuri and Magadhi. Those are the languages used to be spoken by the Jharkhand peoples. Now let's talk about the traditional dress. Men wear dhoti and the bright colored turban dresses with the attractive headgears. Women wear the bright colored sari and lots of jewelries. So the traditional dresses of Jharkhand people are, so man wear dhotis, okay, as you can see in the image, and the bright colored turbans means on the heads, okay, and the dresses with the attractive hairgear which is to something they are putting on the head around the turbans, okay, and the women wear the a bright color sari with the lots of jewelries, okay, and they used to wear the colorful saris and with the lots of jewelries the women used to wear. What they used to do, they used to make a hairstyle. They used to make a huge bun on the top. So what they used to do, they used to put a very colorful jewelries, and also they used to put a bamboo like a flowery type on the throne. They used to put the sticks on the head and they used to look very attractive, okay. Now let's talk about the dance. Chhau, Paika and Jhumar are the popular dance form of the state. As you can see in the image, the Chhau dance, okay, it's a dance, it's an image of a Chhau dance, okay. So what they used to do, they used to put a marks, okay, they used to put a huge marks with the colorful colors, okay, with the feathers and all, as you can see in the image of feathers of peacock, and they used to put a huge marks on their head, around the faces and all, and they used to dance with the colorful dresses, costumes and all, okay. The costumes used to be a very colorful and that marks used to be a very heavy. It used to be a very huge weight, and they used to dance as it's the image of a Chhau dance. Now it's a dance of Pakya, okay, it's a dance form of Pakya. What they used to do, they used to dance with the weapons, okay, As you can see in the image, the girls are dancing with the weapons. It's a Pakya dance, okay, which used to be done by the Jharkhand people. And Jhumar are the popular dance form of the state, and the Jhumar are the popular dance form of the state. Now let's talk about the festival. Jatiya Puja, Karma Puja, Tasu Fair. Okay, Tasu Fair. Fair means it kind like a melas and all. Okay, Pouch Mela and harvesting festival. Holi, Chhat Puja, Bakha and Makha Parav are celebrated. So those are the festival which used to be done on the Jharkhand people. Okay, Jatiya Puja, Karma Puja, it's also like a puja only. Okay, and Tasu Fair means a mela and all, or a pouch mela. The harvesting festivals Holi, Chhat Puja, Bakha and Makha Parav those are been celebrated over here. Now moving to the next, now let's talk about the occupations. Okay, so occupations are agriculture. As you can see in the image, the people are doing a harvesting and all. Yes, so agriculture, livestock, farming for the food, wool and dairy product. So what they used to do for the agriculture, livestock, farming, okay, the foods, wools and the dairy product, they used to be done over there. And mining and iron ore, copper, mica, bedstuck, graphite, limestone, okay, and the European are the main occupations of the people. Okay, so main crops are maize, rice, wheat, chickpea and jawar, bajra, rapeseed, linseed and mustard, bakcho, seed plant. So those are the things used to be done at the place of Jharkhand. Now moving to the next, explosions, explosive factories of a Goima Tea Steel or Tata Steels. Okay, as you can see in the image, plants in spiral, chemical industries also we can find it over there. Art and craft industries such as wood, craft, bamboo and patkari paintings and the metal work are the main industries of the states. So exclusive factories used to be found over there. Mostly we can find a Tata Steel, okay, Tata Steel plant as you can see in the image, and the chemical industries also we can find it over there, and the art and craft industries such as wood craft, okay, bamboo craft and patkari paintings. So patkari painting is this, okay, it's a painting name Patkari. Okay, so mostly we can find it over the Jharkhand places. This painting name is a Patkari. Okay, and the metal work are the main industries of the state. So metal work used to be done over there. Mostly the metal work used to be done over there. Now tourism, Betala National Park and Palam Tiger Reserve and Hajar Bagh used to be found. Mostly the tourists used to attract this place, and mostly the tourists used to come to visit in those places. Okay, as you can see in the image. Now wildlife and sanctuaries, the popular tourist destinations in the Jharkhand. So wildlife sanctuary used to be found over the destinations in the Jharkhand. Okay, and the important cities, Jamaspur, Bekhoroi, Damarabad and Jaribabad are the major cities of the states. Okay, those are the important cities which used to be lies over the Jharkhand. Now let's talk about the tribals. Some of the tribals present in the Jharkhand are Santali, Munda, Ho and Urao. So mostly the tribals used to be found. Tribals used to be found over there. What are they? Jharkhand, Santali, Munda, ho and orao used to be formed over here. Okay, so finally we have end our chapter. So go through with the chapters along with the video. Okay, until and unless you will not go through with the chapters, then you will not understand it. That's all for today's class. See you in the next video, and in the next class I'll be back with the question and answer of this chapter number 6. So what you need to do, you just go through with the chapters along with the videos. Okay, so till then, stay home, stay safe, and always follow the precaution. Don't do any careless with it. Okay, thank you and take care.